If you want to transfer data from iPhone to POCO X8 Pro or Pro Max, what you can do is you can use the MI Mover app, which we already have installed on our POCO. So of course, we will have to also download exactly the same app on our iPhone. To do so, you just have to go to the App Store. We can easily search for MI Mover. There we go. And you should be able to find this app over here. For some reason, the name is not translated, but this is the app that you're looking for. And we're gonna open it on our iPhone. On POCO, of course, we're gonna also open it. And in here, we need to select that this is our new phone. So we need to receive items or data. We want to select that our previous device is Apple device. We need to grant all the necessary permissions, of course. Now here we have the instruction to connect our iPhone with our POCO X8 Pro or Pro Max. And of course we will have to download the app and then scan the QR code. In our case, well, in my case, I already have the app installed. So we're gonna tap on Alt over here and now we can scan this QR code. There we go. We're gonna tap to join. And now we need to wait for both devices to connect with each other. So if needed, to just confirm that you want to connect. And once the connection is established, we should be able to choose what we want to transfer. So you most likely want to transfer everything if you transfer from iPhone to your new POCO X8 Pro or Pro Max. In my case, I'm just gonna select images because I don't need to transfer anything else. And then we're just gonna confirm by tapping on the transfer. And now we need to wait for the transfer to be done. You just have to keep both devices on that menu. And once we are done, we should see the information that transfer was successful. So we are all set. We're gonna tap on done here and on iPhone, and that is pretty much it. What you need to keep in mind is that you cannot transfer everything from iPhone to POCO or to Android in general, simply because, for example, apps, let's say, cannot be transferred because they are built in a slightly different way. I mean, they are built in a different way on iOS compared to Android. So unfortunately, you will have to download your apps manually from the Play Store. Other than that, most of the things you should be able to transfer quite easily. Leave a like and subscribe.